I'm going to start by crushing the pasta, giving a few taps to break it up well. Here we're going to prepare a special delicious, very simple recipe, a practical tip for making a tasty and different snack. With my hands, I'll crush it a bit more because there are still some whole pieces left. Then I transfer everything to the pot with the water already boiling. The larger pieces can be broken by hand. It's very easy. Now we just need to cook the pasta for 3 minutes. No more time is needed. This pasta is already pre-cooked, which is why it cooks quickly. 3 minutes is enough for it to reach the perfect texture. After that time, I turn off the heat and drain the pasta. Well, I've already drained the pasta, and now I'm placing it in my air fryer. We're going to make a simple, quick, and very tasty snack. It's a savory treat made with pasta. Something quite different. Now, I arrange everything inside the air fryer. I set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll leave it for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare a sauce to go with our snack. For this sauce, I have here about 4 ounces of chopped bacon. I've already set the bacon aside. I'm going to fry this bacon to make a sauce with a rich and delicious flavor. It's a simple sauce, but it pairs well with many dishes. Besides this snack, you can also serve it with toast, even with roasted meats, because this sauce is truly amazing. I've reached that point. The bacon is already fried, but not quite done. I'll add 3 cloves of garlic and let them fry together with the bacon. This will give our sauce a wonderful flavor. The bacon is now golden and just right. Now, I turn off the heat. I transfer the bacon, still hot, to the blender. I've placed all the bacon along with the garlic. I add 1 small carton of heavy cream, about 7 ounces, then 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This sauce turns out simply irresistible. I also add fresh parsley and the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil to complete the flavor. Now I just need to close the lid tightly and blend until smooth. Music. After blending, our sauce is ready and very creamy. I transfer it to a proper container for serving. Look at this amazing sauce. It goes well with so many dishes. Our snack is also ready in the air fryer. Look how they turned out. I'm going to place them all on this plate, and it's impressive how much this recipe yields. Look how our pasta bites turned out. They are amazing and perfect served with this creamy bacon sauce.